Welcome to a recent kitchen project we recently completed. We had this kitchen made bespokely for this job, supplied and fitted. I like to always mark out my space, know exactly what I'm dealing with before I get it out. I like to know it all fits before I put anything into place. This is going to be my last ever video on YouTube that is portrait. Any video in the future is going to be done properly on landscape from now on. So this particular kitchen, the clients wanted 1 meter wide worktops. So I had to build a ladder frame at the back, because if we'd have made the units wider than normal, your walkway was only 1200 wide anyway. So your drawers and your doors would have got in the way of each other. So I like to set it all up dry, see what I'm working with. Got the end panel here, work my way back to the wall. So this particular design was going to be 30mm Corian tops, a 450 splashback at the back there, and then you've got doors that are 20mm off of the floor. Yes, I know. Unfortunately, I didn't design this kitchen, so there was a few flaws in a few details down to practicality. But it looked beautiful in the end, and I believe we had very happy clients. This particular job, we had 35mm between the underside of the worktops and the tops of all drawers and doors. This created that handleless finger detail we desired. So if you look around this project, we've got glulam whitewash timbers on show. Very beautiful kitchen extension this turned out to be. I will cover that on another video. There's me cutting out for the sink. As mentioned, the 30mm Corian worktops. So this is going to be taken away to be undermounted to that Corian. Popping a few plimps on before I put the doors down 20mm off the floor. There she is, beautiful. So unfortunately the Corian company was out of my hands, and they didn't have time to install the Corian before Christmas. So they'll be coming back at a later date, so we had to get a temporary sink because they took it away to undermount it. But nevertheless, I put temporary worktops on for the clients for Christmas, painted them gloss white, have a bit of protection. These clients also wanted stainless steel Blum sides to the drawers. Very smart. There is the induction hob. This has a built-in extractor fan. This is ductwork behind the void at the back out to an air brick. Temporary sink, but yeah, we still managed to get the cooker tap on for the client. So this kitchen consists of oak veneer, whitewashed, with solid oak lipping for them J grooves that you see there, and all of the 45-degree angled handle details are solid oak lipping. All of the inners are a oak MFC ball. There we have that American fridge freezer flush to our doors. Normally you see these proud of the kitchens, but we made allowances to put a bevel detail round to allow for the big chunky doors. That's how we roll. Nice little pull out cupboard. Nice bit of storage above. Beautiful. Guys, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, jump in the comments. See you all soon. Ciao Bella.